Hello, we will show you how easy and fast it is to create an order for our services. By clicking on Create Your Order from our website, the following window will open to create your order, adding one or more units. If you are not registered, you must click on Sign Up and register by selecting whether you are a commercial or residential customer. You will have to fill in some basic data. At the end, click on Submit. The system will validate your data and we will notify you by email when your account is active and ready to log in. There are 3 simple steps. Number 1. Add work units to your service by clicking on Add Unit Work. In this section, the first thing you must indicate is the address of the property where you want us to do the service, the date of the appointment, and the state of the property, whether it's occupied or empty. Then, choose the services by clicking on the right tab, be it a bathroom, kitchen, or a repair and replacement. In each of these categories, you can check the boxes of the specific services you need and finally click on Save Changes. After saving your changes, your work unit will have been created. You can repeat the previous step if you want to add a new unit of work. In step number 2, you must indicate the address where you want us to send your billing. At the end, click on Next Step for the last one. In the third and final step, you will see all the information entered in the previous steps. Carefully verify that all the data is correct. Once the information is verified and everything is correct, you can proceed to submit the order by clicking Submit. Ready! Your service order has been created. You will see a confirmation message with your order number and an email will be sent confirming the receipt of the order. That's how easy it is to hire services of Fashiontubs.